close, looking like Mad Max in flashback photos. My aura manifests to synthesizer sounds. Laser like death isn't surprising now. I've been hiding out, outside of town, right by where the chemical plant burned down. Renegade androids are commonplace. Synthetics kick in, quicken the pace. Kicked in the face by an alien race. Complete annihilation, keep embracing the hate. Neurons often fire spontaneously at random. Processes so intricate it's difficult to understand them. A fiery fury of neurotransmission, transparent tubular. It behooves you to listen out of a loudspeaker. Buy some burning car tires, move to a bleaker future where learning's hardwired.
The bass is booming, it's human history. Gloom and doom, consumed by mystery. Listening to animal electricity. Listening to animal electricity. Quasi-conceptual, technical wizardry. Post-apocalyptic, twisted misery. Listening to animal electricity. Listening to animal electricity.
Modern primitive man-machine symbiosis, a ghost in the shell. This hell is hopeless. A cold mechanical mechanism creating audio. Taste the bass at the auto show. Neon has gotta glow. You gotta know that it's a vast wasteland. Enjoy that meat paste. It's your last taste, man. It's difficult to maintain our mechanical hearts. Gotta find time to scavenge for parts. Shopping cart filled with circuit boards and wire coils. The fire gets higher as the oil boils. Soil with no nutrients, devoid of viability. A voivod voidoid with freakazoid ability. Dystopian approach, give in to me willingly. The remnants of this eminence is killing me. Are you feeling me? Let down your defenses. Let it grind to a halt as I assault your senses.
The bass is booming, it's human history. Gloom and doom, consumed by mystery. Listening to animal electricity. Listening to animal electricity. Quasi-conceptual, technical wizardry. Post-apocalyptic, twisted misery. Listening to animal electricity. Listening to animal electricity.
Chemical signals, visual trails on the edge of forever, and it never fails. Tales of a time when there was still hope. Just a burnout husk of dust and smoke. A broken screen, the scene is violent. The light is green, but the scream is silent. Mindless androids stand off, fight for survival. Pray for the cosmic savior's arrival. The prophecy offers a glimpse of redemption. Clearly it's merely a dreary invention. There's always hope even in times so bleak. But progress slows and minds grow weak. Surprised to realize the unexpected. Man and android are both electric, hypnotic, robotic. Can you feel the shock? Hooked up to the batteries to reel the rock.
The bass is booming, it's human history. Gloom and doom, consumed by mystery. Listening to animal electricity. Listening to animal electricity. Quasi-conceptual, technical wizardry. Post-apocalyptic, twisted misery. Listening to animal electricity. Listening to animal electricity. The bass is booming, it's human history. Gloom and doom, consumed by mystery. Listening to animal electricity. Listening to animal electricity. Quasi-conceptual, technical wizardry. Post-apocalyptic, twisted misery. Listening to animal electricity. Listening to animal electricity. Animal electricity. Animal electricity. Animal electricity. Animal electricity.